So what you doing tonight? If you're alone tonight, we can get it on tonight. So what you doing tonight? Girl, if you're alone tonight.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be a wig tutorial. I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to make this beautiful pixie wig. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you get notifications whenever I upload a new video. And also share this video with your friends. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to achieve this beautiful pixie wig. I really love pixie wigs. Like, it's just like a go-to wig if you want to protect your hair and you don't want something that's going to disturb your neck. You just put on a pixie wig and off you go. So I ended up using the 27 pieces bump for this style, and I also used 1.5 bundle of weave from Annabelle hair company. I'm going to show you guys everything in the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you find it helpful. If you do, don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and let's get into the tutorial. Hi guys, so I'm gonna be using the 27 pieces bump, and this weave is from Annabelle. I used a 1.5 pack for it. I used a stocking cap for this wig tutorial. Please, if you want to do it, you better use the normal net wig cap, because the stocking cap, after making the wig, it was so difficult for me to put it on my head. So what I'm gonna do right now is just, as you guys can see, I'm gonna measure it. After measuring it, I will cut it and then apply the glue on it and place it. And the glue I'm using is called bonding glue. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna measure, cut the weave, and then apply the glue and place it on the cap. As you guys can see, I have like a shower cap placed on the wig head before placing the stockings cap. As you guys can see, I'm done with the shortest part of the bump, 27 pieces bump. I'm gonna start with the middle part. I ended up using the short part and the middle part. I didn't use the longest part because there was no need for it, because I wanted to use the weave at the top. So now I'm done with the shortest part and the medium part. I'm gonna start with the weave. So I'm gonna start placing it in front because I'll be using heat on the weave. I'll be using a hair straightener on it. I don't know if the 27 bump weave is gonna withstand the heat. So right here, as you can see, as I've gotten to the top, I'm just gonna keep going round and round and round till I get to the middle. So as you guys can see, I've gotten to the middle. I'm just going to place the last bit carefully. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and make a closure myself. So right here, I just took the weave and I'm applying the bonding glue on it. After that, I'm going to start rolling, like wrapping it round. So after wrapping it round, I just pressed it together, and now I'm going to press it more with a hair straightener to make the closure to be very flat. So you guys can see how it looks like. So right here I'm gonna start trimming. Trimming takes a lot of time with making this type of wig. You need to trim it, you know, to turn out exactly the way you want it, and you need to take your time as well. As you can see, I'm trimming the sides, that's the front as well. So right here, I'm just trimming the weave. I'm taking them section by section while trimming it. And I'm using a razor blade. Please, if you're going to use a razor blade, be very, very careful. You don't even have to use a razor blade. Just use the normal blade they use for it. I just decided to use the razor blade. Right here, I'm using scissors right in front. And I don't have a problem cutting the weave because I'm making a wig. I'm not doing a sewing. I'm making a wig. This wig is going to be with me forever. So I don't feel bad cutting the weave at all. So after cutting, I'm going to apply my heat protectant. And then I'm going to start straightening the weave to look exactly the way I want it. I'm going to start styling the hair. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and put on the wig. You guys can see I really struggled putting on this wig. Please, if you want to do it, use a net cap to do the wig. Don't use a stocking cap. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel and please share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys very soon. I love you guys.
Holy fire, holy water, holy money, only money, only money, only money. We are woody fire.